Do you see those empanadas? That's exactly what I came for.
This is Plant Based Foodies with Chef Adanus. Today we are in Philadelphia at Bar Bombon. It is a 100% vegan restaurant. I am in awe. I cannot wait to show you guys how much amazing different things that they have. I am going to start off with trying how cute are these empanadas. This is a cheesesteak. Can you guys see that? Ooh. This crust is really good, and they have a dip. It looks spicy. This is so good. You guys see this? It has a spice at the end. Definitely.
Enjoy. Let me know if you need anything.
Oh, thank you. This is so good. It's so little, it's so cute, but it's lunchtime. So I just got a couple little different things to taste. I cannot wait to taste this. I believe these are the Spanish meatballs. I wish you guys could smell this sauce. It smells so good. Oh my gosh. You just like smell the flavor. It's so good. Wow. This is the one. If you can see how thick this sauce is, oh my gosh, look at this. It is so good. I think this is gonna be my favorite.
So I ordered the passion fruit mojito, and this was so good. I mean, like, so good, I had to order another one. Look at me just over there enjoying it. But one of my favorites actually was the tacos. I did come for the empanadas, but how could you come for the empanadas and not for the tacos? These tacos were amazing. I had such a great time. I enjoyed myself too much. If you haven't checked out Bar Bombon, you have to.